Unlock the full potential of your Canon 250d by seamlessly connecting it to your computer with Eos Utility, revolutionizing your workflow and giving you unparalleled control. First things first, make sure your camera is powered off now. Locate the USB port on your Canon 250d, it's usually on the side, protected by a small rubber flap. Open that flap. Next, if you haven't already, download and install the Eos Utility software on your personal computer. You can find it on Canon's official support website for your specific camera model. Once installed, open the software. With Eos Utility open, connect one end of your USB cable into your Canon 250d's USB port and the other end into a USB port on your computer. Now, it's time to power on your Canon 250d. As soon as you switch it on, your computer should detect the camera. Almost instantly, Eos Utility will recognize your Canon 250d. You'll see options pop up within the software, like remote shooting, download images to computer, or camera settings. This confirms a successful connection. From here, you can select the desired function for tethered shooting. Choose remote shooting. This empowers you to control your camera, adjust settings, and capture photos directly from your computer screen, streamlining your creative process. And that's it. You've successfully connected your Canon 250d to Eos Utility. Enjoy the benefits of tethered shooting, simplified image transfer, and precise remote camera control, elevating your photography to new heights.